Hi everyone, welcome to the Python QA series. Our question today is how to find even numbers in Python. Before we get to the solution, let's remind ourselves of the definition of even numbers. Even numbers are integers that are exactly divisible by 2 without leaving any remainder. These are the keywords we should pay attention to. So the number should be exactly divisible by 2 and it shouldn't leave any remainder. In Python, we have a special operator called the modulo operator. This calculates the remainder of dividing two numbers. This operator is represented by a percentage symbol. So let's get to the solution now. So we define a function that checks whether a number is even or not. This function will return whether a number is exactly divisible by 2 or not. So using the modulo operator, we check whether the remainder of dividing number by 2 is equal to 0. If so, then this is an even number. If not, then it's not an even number. So we can test this. We can say it's even. Let's start with 2. See that that's even. Let's change it to 200. We see that that's even. Let's try something that's not even. So let's put a 5. We see that this is not even. Now let's get all even numbers between 0 and 100. So I'll just create a list for that. To just say num for num in range 100 if is even. Now you see that we have all the even numbers now between 0 and 100, and here I've used a special syntax called list comprehension. The final thing I want to show you is what not to do in Python. You might have seen such a pattern before. So here you are just duplicating what this actually does. This is either true or false, depending on whether the number is divisible by 2. So we don't really need to do all this. So if you see someone doing this, tell them not to do it, and you should never do it again. So just return this. You don't have to do all that. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Support these videos by liking and subscribing to the channel.